Thanks for tuning in to Essential RC. So this is another of my 3D printed projects. Printed this a long time ago on an old printer, not my latest Bamboo Lab printers, and also printed it in pre-foamed lightweight PLA, really before I didn't know anything about 3D printing. It hasn't turned out that great, I'll be honest. It's relatively heavy compared to the plain print specs, and I've subsequently done quite a lot of active foaming lightweight PLA projects where the foaming of the PLA happens as it is actually ejected from the nozzle. And I've actually printed another one of these plain print snowy owls in that, but not put it together yet. So I figured I would follow through and fly this first to see how well it does actually fly. I have to say again, plain print designs are fantastic. The manuals, instructions are very, very good. The design is fantastic. So I highly recommend them if you want to fly something different. And that's the beauty of 3D printing, as well as many other advantages, is that with 3D printing within RC aircraft, there are things you can print and build that you would not get in a composite, wood or foam, because 3D printing has this ability to print these very strange and weird and wonderful shapes, and that's why you get these bird designs. So anyway, let's get it in the sky. Let's try and get it in the sky and see how well it flies. I think if anything, it's going to climb out slowly.
Very, yeah, you just got to try and go level, I think.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Any climb.
Very gradual.
Yeah.
All right, little bit of a breeze.
Yeah, that's what we need.
3, 2, 1.
Try and climb too much. Yeah, go down the hill.
Ah. Whoa! Took my eye off it for a second. Woo! Yeah. Right, it's very sensitive. That's the first thing. So I'm going to go down on my rates. And hands off. Hands off, it's okay. Yeah. It's flying though. I'm amazed it's flying, to be honest. Coordinated turns with the rudder to help it around. Whee! Well, it just goes to prove you can make a brick fly if you has enough power.
Run fast enough.
Oh, doesn't want to turn. Oh! God.
Speed.
Yeah, speed.
Speed. Need speed. Other than in a straight line. So you need the speed for the turn.
God. It went, oh, come on. Right, I'm going to higher rates. Oh, flipping heck. Bit of a handful.
The kite above you.
Yeah, you think I'm keeping well out of the way of that. Yeah, why has it suddenly got all erratic? Oh, maybe you're right.
Keeping it smooth and not too
Power off. Whoa. Real dip. Thank God I got a rudder. Oh, blimey. Landing this is going to be a nightmare. No low passes today. I just don't have the... It's like a rodeo. Owls aren't meant to be jet propelled, that's for sure. Ow. Come on! Climb! Right. I think, yeah, maybe that rudder needs to be a bit more... Oh, come on, before I lose all power. Oh my word! Like trying to tame a wild animal. So, I think the rudder was flexing, and I've used this very thin piece of plastic. I could see that it was flexing, which destroy the aerodynamics of it totally. But anyway, end of video number 1. I need to go and have a sit down and a cup of tea after that. That was frightening. Right, okay, and then we'll be back for video number 2 with the proper lightweight one. Oh my word.